what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede commuter from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a classic Concrete Blonde song, Joey. Alright, cool. Let's get to it. This song is quite easy. We don't have any bar chords. We're in standard tuning. So let's go. We got G major. Song is in G major. 1, 2, 3. We got E minor. 1, 2. We got C major. D major. And sometimes we want a D sus. So from D major, add pinky on 3rd fret. And lift it back up. We also need a G sus, which is the top of the song when they start. So G sus. And that happens before the guitar solo as well. Alright, so let's talk about the switching and the strumming. G major, E minor, C major, D major, sus, D major. So the strumming is down, 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 but do bass and then high string. So you hear that? Bass, high, bass, high, bass, high, bass, high, bass. Every third time is different. Fourth time is different. So G, E minor, C, D 3 times. Now fourth time is G, E minor, switch faster from C to D and land on E minor. And then you end with C major, D major, and G major. All right, let's do that again one more time from the beginning. G, G sus. Okay, so grab G like this. 3rd finger, low E string, pinky, 3rd fret, high E string. And then add your 1st finger on 1st fret, B. So G major, G sus, G major, G sus, start strumming. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Get ready for the sus. verse, the joy part. That's C to D. I go back to that part before the guitar solo. Okay. Cool, guys. That's the whole song. That's all the parts. It's not much to it. What a great composition. All right, so let's go over it really quick before we end the lesson. Starts with G major to G sus. G major, G sus 2 times. Verse, G major, E minor, C, D 3 times. 4th time, G, E minor, C, D faster, switching, and land on E minor. And then end with C for the joy part. Then they hang a little longer on the G before they start the next verse. Cool. And I think the very ending, they repeat the joy part 2 times, but you'll hear it. Okay, see you tomorrow for more music. Thank you.